Good morning, children. Welcome back to PNMRC e-learning classes. Let's start with a new chapter, chapter number 4, Queen Serena. Let's start with the chapter. An honest person is the one who always speaks the truth and who can be trusted. Such persons make our world a better place to live in. So children, an honest person is the one who always speaks the truth. If he is honest, he always speaks the truth, and also he can be trusted by other people also. Such persons make our world a better place to live. Such persons who are honest persons, they make our world a better place to live in. Long ago, there lived a great king. He was very powerful. He loved his people and ruled wisely. His subjects admired him and obeyed him. The king was a great nature lover. He loved flowers. Most of all, he enjoyed growing plants, trees, and flowers in his kingdom. Everything planted in his kingdom grew and bloomed as if by magic. So children, here long ago there lived a great king, and he was a very powerful king, and his people loved him very much because he ruled very wisely, and his ministers and people, they all admired him and they obeyed him also. And the king was a great nature lover. He used to love nature, and he used to love to grow plants, trees, and flowers in his kingdom, and everything which he planted in the kingdom grew and bloomed as if it is a magic. The king had no children. As he grew older, he wanted to choose his heir. He could not decide how to do it. Since he loved flowers, he decided that flowers would help him choose his successor. So children, here the king had no children, and now he is growing old. Now if he dies, he wanted someone to sit on his throne. So he wanted to choose some person who can rule over his kingdom. So he could not decide how to do that. Since he loved flowers, he thought that these flowers would help him to choose his successor. One day he invited all his subjects to his palace. Thousands of people came to his palace in the hope of being chosen as the king's heir. A little girl called Serena also came along. So children, one day he invited all his people to his kingdom, to his palace, and thousands of people came in the hope of being chosen as the king's heir. And in that, one little girl called Serena, she also came along with those 1,000 people. The king gave some seeds to all the people and told them, "Here are some seeds of flowering plants. Come back next year with what you have grown from these seeds." So the king gave all those 1,000 people a small seeds of flowering plants, and he told that, "Come back next year with what you have grown from these seeds." Like others, Serena also took the seeds and went home. She sowed them in the best pot she could find. She made sure that the soil was rich, and she watered the pot every day. So, as 1,000 people, they took the seeds home, Serena also took the seeds and went home. And now what she did, she sowed them in a best pot she could find, and then she put the fertile soil, rich soil, and she watered the plant also every day. But even after 6 weeks, there was not a single shoot to be seen. She changed the pot and added more manure. Still there were no shoots. So when Serena took the plant home, she put it in a best pot, and every day she used to water the plant, and even she put the best soil in it. But even after 6 weeks there was not a single shoot to be seen. Then what she did, she changed the pot and added more soil, more manure, but still there was no shoots. 6 months passed like this, but Sarina continued to hope. Although she tried hard, the weeds did not reveal any results. Now 6 months passed, but still there was no result. Sarina continued to hope, although there was not a single shoot came in the plant. The year was about to end now, but still there were no sign of plants. Finally, the appointed day arrived. Now, year have already passed, and still there were no sign of plants from the seed. Now, finally, the day came when they have to present themselves in the front of the king. Finally, the appointed day arrived. Sarina sadly took her flowerless pot to the palace. Now, Sarina, she took the pot which was flowerless, and she went to the palace. All the people have brought potted plants bearing beautiful flowers, and when Sarina went in the palace, what she saw, that all the people, they have a beautiful flowers in their plants. Flowers of every shade and size could be seen there. So every shade and size flowers was seen there. Everyone laughed at Sarina and her flowerless pot. So when she entered with the flowerless pot, she was astonished that all the people, they had their flowers in their pot, but she was flowerless, and everyone laughed at her. She felt miserable and turned to go home. Now she felt ashamed, miserable, and she wanted to go home. At that moment the king called out to her, "Little girl, come here. What is your name?" So as she turned back to go to home, the king called that girl and he asked his name, that what is your name? Sarina told him her name. Sarina told him her name. She was feeling scared. Now she was feeling scared. She thought that the king would admonish her for not looking after his seeds well. Now she was afraid of king. But the king smiled at her. He said to all the assembled people, "You see, this was a test. All the seeds that I have gave you a year ago had been roasted. None of them could have sprouted into a plant." So when king called Sarina to come here, she was afraid, but king smiled at her, and he said to that girl and all the assembled people who were present in the palace, he told that what he gave all the seeds to them was roasted. So none of them could have sprouted into a plant. It was roasted and given to them, so none of them could have the plant. He smiled at Sarina and announced, "Sarina is the only honest person in the kingdom. She did not change the seeds like others did. She shall be my successor." So here king smiled and told Sarina, and he announced in the palace that Sarina is the honest person who did not change the seeds, because the king has given the roasted seeds. So roasted seeds, they cannot be turned into the plant, and Sarina, she did not change the seeds. All the people, they changed the seeds, but Sarina did not change the seeds, and same seeds she brought in the palace on that day. So by seeing this, the king was impressed by the Sarina, and now he declared that Sarina will be his next successor. That is how Queen Sarina came to rule. So from Sarina, she became Queen Sarina. So the key value of this chapter is honesty. So those who are honest people, they always speaks the truth. Here Sarina, she speaks the truth because she brought the same seats to the palace in front of the king. She did not change them. So here she became the queen of the kingdom. So children, I hope you all have understood the story. So we will meet in our next video. Till then, stay blessed.